And I have a quick video on this 15-BL012DX HP laptop convertible X360. So the battery replacement, this is aftermarket battery. And it actually came to me from a different shop. But anyway, so this is aftermarket battery, and you have to look close to the orientation of the cable. So basically all the red ones are in the center. So this cable, actually this connector, I'm not sure if I don't have the original battery, so this is just the way it came to me. It came to me plugged in opposite direction. So let me unplug this. Come on. So usually you cannot plug in battery opposite, but this battery is kind of weird. So it came to me plugged in like that, okay? And you actually can, I assume you can plug it in. See, you can plug it in like this, opposite. So this is how it came to me, okay? So, and it actually was working, kind of working. So you have to turn it on. So it will not turn on its own, okay? But if you plug in the charger, it will turn on and it will work off the battery. But the battery battery symbol is actually showing that the battery is not connected, even though it's working off of the battery. Like I'm gonna show you right now. Like, take a look. It's not gonna turn on its own, but when you plug in the charger, see, it turns on, and I'm plugging the charger, and it turns on. See, so that's the super weird stuff, and it actually works and everything. Let me turn it off. Shut down. So this is the way it came into me. And the battery, did I show you the battery? Yeah, but right now, see, if I'm gonna try to turn it back on, it doesn't work. And the only reason it works this way, because see the red, the plus, the whatever voltage it is, I think it's 12.6 probably, 1155. It's in the center, so it kind of gets the power, but everything else is kind of opposite. So make sure when you plug in this battery, this replacement battery, it's probably you can only do this kind of stuff with replacement batteries, because otherwise it should be a kind of a stopper or something. But this is the way it has to be plugged in. So if you have this issue when the battery is showing up that it's not charging, like it's not there, but it still works this kind of way, just take a closer look at the orientation, or just match it with the original one. As I said, this came to me like that, so I had no original battery here, so I didn't know like what's going on. So I just tried to flip the connection. It actually went in just fine. So once again, from the top, it's gonna be black, green. So green has to be on top. That's basically the main thing. And now, as you can see, if I'm gonna turn it on, let me see. Let me turn it. Maybe it doesn't turn on because it's. Yep. See, now it turns on fine, and the battery symbol is gonna come up. Let me just double check. See, the battery is there. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.